How to download Geometry Dash on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the game installed and also covers the free versions available on the Play Store. First, open the Play Store and tap the search icon at the bottom center. After that, tap the search bar at the top and type in Geometry Dash. From there, you'll see the original Geometry Dash at the top of the results. Keep in mind that the original game is a paid app costing around $4. Right here, if you don't want to spend any money, scroll down below the original and you'll find other versions of the game, like Geometry Dash Meltdown and Geometry Dash Sub-Zero. Next up, these versions are completely free to download and are made by the same developer as the original, so you're still getting the authentic Geometry Dash experience. Moving on, tap on whichever version you want to download. Meltdown and Sub-Zero are both great starting points if you're new to the game. From here, tap Install and wait for the download to complete. After that, once the installation is done, tap Open to launch the game. Finally, if you enjoy the free versions and want the full experience with all the levels and features, go back to the Play Store and purchase the original Geometry Dash. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.